Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new in here, please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated on my upcoming videos, and like, share, and leave your thoughts on the comment below. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Ang cute, nandito ako sa bagong coffee shop dito sa Castro. Look, that's the name. Sister Coffee Shop. Kabubukas lang nila kahapon. I saw it yesterday too. I was here in Castro yesterday. Nung mayroon silang employee sa labas na nag-handout ng free sample ng isang buong croissants. Ganon ha, isang buong croissants. But anyway, ang cute ng place nila, look. Ayan. You're like very pretty, yung nakalagay sa wall. Diba? How cute. Look at that. Oh, ayan. Tapos may malaking and then bumili ako ng malaking concha. Yung Spanish bread, meron silang small version pero kinuha ko yung malaki. Rainbow siya na concha. Ayan o. Diba ang laki? Look oh. Malaki pa sa kamao ko. And then I bought this, ano siya, I think coconut matcha, ano ba yun? Coconut pistachio matcha. What you call this na ice. Ayun, oh, di ba? Ang cute ng vibes dito sa place na to. Parang Victoria's Secret. Pink na pink. It's really cool. Diba? So, dito mo na. Ganda ng weather. Look. Tignan mo. Ayun pa yung malaking puso, oh. Yung heart, giant heart across the street. Inom muna tayo. Yeah. That. Ang laki ng concha bread. Isa ang pandulce sa paborito kong Spanish bread, especially concha, yung iba-ibang kulay na bilog. Tapos, after naglakad-lakad, nakakita ng gelato ice cream parlor around the corner ng 22nd Mission. Ayun, napabili ako ng ice cream dahil ang init ng panahon. Perfect. It was an awesome day. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching this short video. I hope you liked it. And see you on the next vlog. Take care.